Rear Cross Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist helps prevent collisions with vehicles approaching from the rear while reversing. To activate the system, navigate to Settings, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Parking Safety, Rear Cross Traffic Safety in the infotainment system. The system detects vehicles approaching from behind while reversing and alerts the driver through warning lights in the exterior mirrors and messages on the instrument cluster. If the vehicle continues to reverse after the collision risk warning, the vehicle will apply emergency braking and display a warning on the instrument panel. For your safety, always brake immediately and check your surroundings.